Okay, so to solve a system of inequalities, in general, you're going to use the following rules. For your boundary lines, you're going to use a dotted line. For less than or greater than, and you're going to use a solid line. For greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. You'll see what that means when we graph these on Desmos. So we're just going to take these right here and type them straight into Desmos. We don't really need to graph it on paper this year. And we also don't need to solve it in terms of y. In Desmos, we can pretty much bypass this altogether. If we head over to Desmos and type this in, we see that the solution set is actually this purple region right here. And we'll notice a few things. For example, in the set, we have a couple of points. We have 0, 0, which is in the set, and 5, negative 5, which are in the set. 0, 0 is on the line, and that's okay because it's on the solid line, but not in the set is the point 2, 3, which is on the dotted line, which means that it's not in the set. The dotted line means that every point on that line is actually not included in the solution set. When you watch the word problems video, this will make a lot more sense. Let's see. In general, okay, not always. You want to be careful when you shade. In general, though, you want to shade above for greater than or equal to, and below for less than or equal to. For example, in the last one, we noticed that both of them were shaded below the line. That's because they both had less than symbols. But sometimes that's not the case. Sometimes it can be a less than symbol and you might have to shade above. In that case, you need to test a point. The point we're testing here is this point right here, 0, 0. If we plug in 0 for x and 0 for y, we get a true statement. 0 minus 0 is less than or equal to 13. This is true. So we shade in the direction of 0, 0. So we shade over here in this direction towards 0, 0. So in general, always test a point to make sure it's in the right regions. Okay, the solution set is the place where the shaded regions overlap on the graph. So in my solution set, on my first example, you can see right there, it's where they overlap. Okay, hopefully this was helpful. I hope you have a good day, and stay tuned for more videos in the future.